Hey, Greg, could you provide an example of a powerful manifestation technique that your clients find particularly effective in aligning their reality with their true desires?
Oh, yeah. In fact, let's start with the very first technique I'm going to coach you on. Right in week one, my famous penny experiment. It's featured in Pam Grout's #1 bestseller, E Cubed. I'm going to coach you to manifest pennies and use those manifested pennies to change your money energy and manifest more wealth in your life. So, right from week one, I'll be coaching you to perform my most famous experiment and start manifesting money and wealth differently. I'll teach you to use the power of authentic gratitude for something, even though you're not quite manifesting it the way you truly want yet, which is what, of course, usually makes us the most grateful in the first place. I'm going to coach you to learn ways to employ, practice, and demonstrate each one of the 12 intentional manifesting mastery skills that we're going to cover, one per week. And I can't wait to see what you do with this curriculum.